Hello, it's Rachel. Today's project is a mixed media art tag. I'm beginning my project by applying some ice blue PaperArtsy paint using a baby wipe, and once I've done this I'm going to stencil over it using a Tim Holtz mini stencil and some archival ink in the colour Sky Blue. I'm using Ranger cut and dry foam to apply the ink. This is a stamp set by PaperArtsy. This is Jofi 32. I've chosen to stamp the flowers from this set and I'm stamping directly onto my tag using archival ink in jet black, and then I also stamp the same flowers onto some lightweight cardstock using VersaFine ink in Onyx Black. I've now chosen another stamp set. This is Backyard Blossoms by Cardio Stamps, and from this set I've chosen to stamp the spider web and the spider onto my project, and I also stamp two of the tiny caterpillars onto the flowers. To colour my flower images, I've chosen a selection of Prisma colour pencils. I'm colouring these onto the images that I stamped onto the lightweight cardstock, and then I'm going to cut them out and stick them over the stamped flowers on my tag. And I've done this so that the background colours from my tag don't interfere with the colours that I'm adding to the flowers. This is a Jelly Roll Stardust pen in clear, and I'm going to add this over the spider web to give it some sparkle. And when I finish this, I also choose another Jelly Roll Stardust pen, this time in pink, to add to the flower centres. For the text on my tag, I've used my Brother labelling machine. I prepped the surface first using some golden matte medium, and then I'm using one of the same shades of yellow that I used on the flowers to add colour. Once I've done this, I use some Zest-It blending solution to blend the colour, and then I cut the text up and add an outline using one of the pink colours. To complete my tag, I've punched a hole at the top using my crocodile tool, and I've chosen a selection of fibres in coordinating colours. That is everything for today. I hope you enjoyed watching. If you did, I do appreciate it when you hit the like button. If you'd like a full product list, you'll find that in the video description, along with my social media, which includes my Facebook Mixed Media Challenge group.